Hi there. In this video, we are going to cover how to use LaTeX in Notion. Have you ever found yourself struggling to neatly type out scientific equations, complex math symbols, or even intricate chemistry formulas right inside Notion? It can be a real challenge to make these elements look professional and tidy. But fear not. Today, I'm going to guide you through the process of using LaTeX in Notion. So by the end of this tutorial, you'll have the skills to add math equations to your notes, wikis, or study guides with ease and make them look impressively polished. Whether you're a student working on assignments, a researcher compiling data, or simply a Notion enthusiast looking to enhance your productivity, this guide is designed to supercharge your workspace. So let's dive right in. Imagine you already have a set of formulas or equations that you're eager to incorporate into your Notion pages. Maybe you've written them out elsewhere, or perhaps you just have them memorized. Notion makes it surprisingly straightforward to insert LaTeX equations thanks to two main types of equation blocks: block equations and inline equations. Let's start by discussing block equations. These are perfect if you want to showcase your formula prominently, similar to a bold headline on a math worksheet. To add a block equation, navigate to the part of your Notion page where you want the equation to appear. Simply type a block equation command, and you'll notice that Notion provides you with a menu to select the block equation type. After clicking it, you can type your LaTeX equation directly into the box that appears. For example, you might enter a classic equation like x squared plus y squared equals z squared, or perhaps a more complex chemical equation. Once you press enter, Notion instantly transforms it into a beautifully formatted equation. The math symbols render crisply, as if they've been taken right out of a textbook. Block equations are ideal when you want your math or formulas to be the focal point of your content, effectively putting your work on display. But what if you need to incorporate a smaller equation within a paragraph or sentence? Say you're explaining a concept and want the formula to seamlessly blend with your text. This is where inline equations come into play. To do this, wherever you want your equation to appear, simply type the command for an inline equation. This creates a spot for the equation right within your sentence. Insert your LaTeX code there, and Notion will format it on the fly so it integrates smoothly with the surrounding words. This approach is fantastic for maintaining the flow of information, ensuring that your notes remain neat and uninterrupted. For instance, you might write something like, "The solution for x plus b equals 0 is given by the inline equation," and then fill in the equation right there. It's quick and makes your content much more readable. Here's a nifty tip. You're not confined to just one equation per page. You have the flexibility to add as many block or inline equations as necessary, wherever they are needed. This means you can mix and match styles to suit your content. Perhaps you start with a prominent formula at the top, then break down each step with inline equations as you guide the reader through your process. Feel free to experiment a little. Notion handles all of it smoothly, allowing you to create dynamic and engaging notes. And that's it. You've just learned how to use LaTeX within Notion. While it might take a moment to get familiar with LaTeX syntax, there's no need to worry. Even if you make a typo, Notion allows you to edit at any time. Plus, there are numerous examples available online, so you can easily copy and paste common expressions. That's it for this tutorial on how to use LaTeX in Notion. If you found it useful, hit subscribe and stay tuned for more helpful videos.